Hey, it's Paul from 1,000 Words, and I'm not out filming history today, but I'm going to be in the kitchen. I'm going to cook up one of my favorite sandwiches, the pulled pork sandwich. For the pulled pork sandwich today, I'm going to take you on the journey, show you the rub, show you how I cook it. We're going to put that in the oven. We're going to cook it for about 5 hours. Okay, we're going to put it on low and slow 5 hours. We want that temperature to get up to about 170 degrees because we want that pork to just fall apart. So when I break it down, it's nice pieces for a nice pulled pork sandwich. So come along with the journey and let's enjoy a pulled pork sandwich. I'm going to lay in the roasting pan. That gives it some aerodynamics for the roast is going to sit on these in the pan. It's going to give it some airflow underneath and also some flavor soaking up in underneath. So that's one of my first steps. I'm just going to take these and add these to the pan. I already have some onions in here that I cut earlier, but this is just creating a bed of onions that roast is going to sit on, so it won't dry out, and it'll get some good airflow, and definitely some flavor will soak up into this pork butt. I like to take some garlic and mince it up. This is fresh garlic. I took the cloves and I smashed them. Three large heaping tablespoons of smoked paprika. I'm going to put some brown sugar in here. So I'm going to make sure that's all mixed in there. Okay, great. And we're going to add a little bit of nice fresh ground pepper to this. So I like to use some extra virgin olive oil. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to drizzle that in so I can form up a bit of a paste. There's no real exact measurement. It's basically to the texture of your paste. All right, so here's our beautiful 10-pound pork butt. What I like to do is I'm going to just trim off a little extra fat. I don't want too much fat on there. All right, so I've taken the pork butt and I've laid it on the pan with the onions underneath, giving it airflow. I'm going to take my marinade and I rub that over it so nicely. We're now ready to throw it in the oven, or well, place it in the oven, we'll throw it. And we already have our oven preheated, and we're gonna take our nice pulled pork butt. Actually, it's not pulled pork yet, it's our butt, nicely seasoned with our rub. Now, we're going to take that and we're gonna put it in the oven. Hey, it's Paul Wright from 1,000 Words, and I got a special guest today. Nicola just popped in to see what we're doing next, what we're filming. Nicola, what do we got going on?
We have got lots of stuff going on. I know you're just finishing off a video about the Fisher family.
Yes.
We've also got the Gent Davis family video coming up. That's already been filmed. but there are lots more interesting stories about the history of Burlington that we're going to get right onto.
Awesome. And you know, today I am doing my favorite sandwich, pulled pork. September's coming around. Nicola, what do you think about pulled pork?
I absolutely love pulled pork, and I can see in your pan that you've got some onion jam to go with it.
We are making onion jam.
And I wouldn't say smell, the odor, the aroma is absolutely stunning.
Great. So, Nicola, what do we want to tell people to do when they come to the YouTube channel for 1,000 words? What are we going to do?
We are going to press the button below and subscribe so that we don't miss another episode.
Great. And guys, check out 1,000 words past videos. We have some great history videos like Emma's back porch, long time standing history. Also,
the Queen's Head.
The Queen's Head, and it's no longer there.
And the Queen's Head and the Zimmerman family. Don't forget them.
Zimmerman family. And we're just wrapping up in a 5-part series from the Imperial...
No, we're wrapping up a 5-part series from the United Empire Loyalist Burying Ground on Plains Road in Burlington.
There you go, and that's why Nicola's the host to 1,000 Words History, because she knows all the history, and she's ready to give it and tell it to you. So hit that subscribe button to 1,000 Words YouTube channel, and don't miss an episode. Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, we're back, and this pork butt's been in the oven for 5.5 hours. The internal temperature's reached over 170, which will make the meat very breakable, and I can just shred it down by hand. So you know what? Let's pull it out of the oven, and let's get to it. I've started pulling apart this pork. I let it cool down because it was really hot when I was doing it. I'm just basically taking it and shredding it, hanging it out of this bowl, and I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. We're gonna build this sandwich now. We're gonna put the pulled pork in a nice fresh Kaiser that was baked today, and we're going to take it from the crock pot here. I have my onion jam that I made earlier, which is so good. Alright, moment of truth. We got our sandwich here. Let's take our first bite. Got a nice pulled pork, the smoked paprika. You got your sweet, you got your savory. Wow, that was delicious. So let's get back to filming some history. And don't forget to hit subscribe right down below. Hit that button. Join the channel, 1,000 Words. Thank you for watching.